tour guide today. This is our formal room. It features our colors cardinal and straw. Here you'll find members doing homework, hanging out, and maybe even having the occasional sleepover or dance party. Next, you walk into our kitchen. In-house members receive provided meals, and it's a great time to catch up with everyone living in the house. Out-of-house members receive Monday night dinners and Friday brunches. Here, it's so nice to see all of our members just sharing a meal together. There is also a provided pantry and amenities for your own personal snacks or meals. Our TV room is famous for its movie nights, Just Dance marathons, and the best napping couches there are. Here is our standard double room. It features 2 beds, 2 desks with chairs, a huge closet to split, and dresser drawers that are built into the bed. We also have triple room and single room options. On each floor, there is one glamorous and large community bathroom. It's so nice to have people to get ready with, and honestly, so much fun. This is also our Make-A-Wish wall, featured on our 3rd floor. It's great to see memories of different events we've had in the house and how fun they were just opening up our doors. Now it gets crazy.